Hi guys, it's gonna be a nice day today, and sun's clear skies, as you can see. So you guys probably see snow is melting. I don't think I've done a video in the backyard for a while, but snow's melting. We might take the dirt bikes on the spine of the hills. Over this hill, there used to be a ton of snow, but there's not anymore. So might be playing around in there, going up here. There's tons of stuff. Birds are out. It's gonna be a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is on. Guys, so we just got back. I don't know, you guys are probably like, why am I in the garage? I bent the clutch. I don't know what is wrong with us, but thing fell off on the stand. I don't know if that's supposed to be normal. Don't think so. Cord must be loose because it landed like that, but guess we're gonna go back out. Took a little break. I was kind of mad because I might have to I don't know, this thing feels low, like it's like right down there, so might have to take these off or loosen it and adjust it up so it's like more up here. So yeah, or we might just go out. I might go out and then the end of the video might fix it. So let's go back outside. Let's go. Made it back up the hill, and we're gonna be going over on that shelf where I usually ride sometimes, but right over here is some deep snow. I don't know why, but I don't know if I should drop or come stay up. I'm going. the road. That is water over there. I gotta check that out. I guess let's just go straight down this big hill. Try not to lose control here. Oh, I feel like this is a hole. Which one is not as deep of a snow? It shouldn't be. Oh yeah. Crap. Oh, I'm stuck. I am stuck. Low water now, boys. Okay. That's not good. I think I just gotta lift up the back end, maybe. And this is hard snow. This is deep right here. Not hot. Whew. Barely got out. Did not look deep, but I finally got out. We're just gonna stick to the road, I think. Oh yeah. Ice, that's all ice. This is ice. Water yet? Oh, the road is fine. Maybe.
fast. Over limit on the freeway, hope no cops pass. Had to dip out for a minute, yeah, that's my bad. But I can't stay for too long, I gotta go. I grab my bag and hit the dash. Yeah, adios. I drop the clutch and slam the gas, and it's vomit.
Alright, guys. Just grabbed the tools we need for the job. And it looks like I need these things. Actually, might. Look at that, first pick. Oh, these are loose too. But I'm glad the shifter didn't break, or the clutch. If it did, that would have been bad news. So, let's see here. If I sit on it, I want it to be at least right here. For now, until we fix it. But y'all comment down below what would be the best way to fix this. My dad says heat it up, or just, I don't know, get a new one, but heat it up might work. But if you guys have any other things, make sure you comment down below. It's tight. I love just working on stuff. Oh, that's way perfect. Way better, I mean. That's not a word, but it's how I pronounce stuff. Brap 701. So, podcast coming out tomorrow. Didn't come out with one last weekend because just too busy with YouTube stuff. Should be good. Okay. Let's just tighten up the other side. The other side has some loose, I think. So, gotta find it. Yeah. Oh, crank. See if it'll fire up. Yeah. Oh yeah, way better. That is way better. But this clutch, I feel like it's better than last time. Might have to raise this up a little bit. But yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you on podcast tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, bye.